How to cancel Acorns deposit. Acorns is a financial technology and investment app designed to help people save and invest money effortlessly. In order to cancel Acorns deposit, you have to go to Acorns website or Acorns application. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Click on Setting. Click on My Subscription. Scroll down and click Cancel Subscription. Click on Yes, Continue. Click on Get Started. Select reason for canceling subscription. You can write something if you want to. Click Next. Click Withdraw and request closure. Click on Continue. Once the transfers have processed, we'll close your accounts and cancel your subscription. Transfers may take up to 3 to 6 business days. That's it. Thanks for watching.